ChiFit multi-level back stretcher for immediate relief and flexibility. Discover the ultimate solution to your back pain woes with the ChiFit multi-level back stretching device. Engineered 15% stronger than competitors, this lumbar back stretcher massager boasts 92 Acupressure massage points for targeted relief. Let the ergonomic design and Acupressure plastic needles soothe your lower and mid-back, releasing tension and enhancing flexibility in your spine and shoulder muscles. Say goodbye to stress and discomfort. Experience personalized comfort with the multi-level adjustment design of this sciatica pain relief device. Choose from 3 gear settings to achieve your desired stretch, easing lumbar back pain and improving your overall well-being. The ChiFit back stretcher is not just a pain relief product, it's a versatile tool that can help prevent and alleviate functional disorders in your lumbar spine. The Acupressure technology lets you unwind after a long day, promoting relaxation and improved muscle tissue health. Bid farewell to back pain and embrace a pain-free lifestyle with the ChiFit Back Traction Kit. Whether you're suffering from lumbar pain, neck discomfort, or muscle tension, this device is your go-to solution. Simply lie on the ChiFit lumbar support, and gravity will gently decompress your intervertebral discs, readjust your spine, and alleviate tension. This product is a game-changer for posture correction, yoga fitness, and overall pain relief. Trust ChiFit, a US-based brand dedicated to body fitness, to deliver quality end results. Start with a lower intensity level and gradually progress as you become more flexible. The acupuncture-like points release lumbar pressure, offering a multi-purpose solution for your entire back. Crafted with premium materials, this long-lasting back stretcher ensures safety and comfort in the comfort of your home or office. Detailed instructions included, allowing you to customize usage based on your comfort level. With 3 intensity levels available, you're in control of your relief journey.